Hello, vibrant viewers. It's Sammy, a vegan gentleman from the Scarlet Macaw Kingdom. I've learned many secrets of living life, and one of the most important is to have a compassionate heart and be vegan. I pray that you too can experience this yourself. I have a tip on how to teach your bird person to step up onto your fingers. This is helpful so that you can avoid snatching them when they have to come out of their enclosure. Grabbing or accidentally squeezing them can result in severe stress and injury, or even death, as we feathered beings have fragile skeletons and respiratory systems. Teach your bird person by first rewarding them for coming near your hand. When they begin to step onto your hand, say "step up" or "up." Be consistent, stick to one phrase, and say it every time your bird person steps up.
Up. Up.
Thank you and love you so much for being veg and going green to save the planet for all humans and us all co-inhabitants alike.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/NWN.